Introducing the 2008 Hyundai Tiburon. This two-door, four-passenger coupe still has less than 80,000 miles. Hyundai made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.